Hello everyone, it's Paige and welcome back to my channel. Today I am so excited because I'm going to be filming a prom get ready with me. Although this isn't a real time get ready with me because my prom was a couple days ago, this video has been so requested because all of your guys' proms are coming up. So I decided I wanted to show you guys how I did my hair, my makeup, and where I got my dress from, all in depth. So if you guys want to see, then just keep watching. Okay, let's get into hair. First things first, wash your hair. Then just brush it out. Then once my hair is damp, I take my Gizu honey infused hair oil. This stuff has saved my hair. It has made it so shiny. I get compliments all the time and it just makes it feel like it's really healthy. I just take a little of that. That just made it really weird. You just take it in your hands and put it through your hair. It smells so good too. It definitely is a little pricey, but it's so worth it. So if you guys want to invest in like a good hair product, that's definitely what I would recommend. Now I'm going to just blow dry my hair. Also, just a little tip, I like blowing it straight down just so it's nice and flat and so it doesn't get knotty. I'm going to finish off camera, but you guys know how to do the rest. Once that is all done, I'm going to just go ahead and flat iron my hair. I'm going to use the Croc Classic Flat Iron and just heat that up to 410. While that heats up, I'm going to just go ahead and divide my hair. Definitely be easier if you had a clip. I'm going to just flat iron this part and then I'll take down the rest of my hair and then flat iron that. This kind of just ensures that every part is flat and so you don't miss a spot. I'm going to just take down the rest of my hair and flat iron that part. Once that is all done, I'm going to take my hair oil again and just take a little small amount and just pretty much do the same thing, but this time it's kind of just going to make it a little more shiny and just smooth down the frizz. So this is the finished hair product. I think it just looks really sleek and shiny and I don't know, I just really like it like this. Let's move on to the makeup section. The first thing I'm going to do is moisturize with the Clinique Moisture Surge. This thing is actually the best. It keeps me super moisturized. Just bring the rest down your neck because you want a wrinkly neck. I don't know if that's true. I've been using this for like a solid 3 years too, by the way. So on actual prom night, I used the Makeup Forever liquid foundation and I just mixed 2 colors for my fake tan. But today, since it's a little faded, I'm going to use the Tarte Rainforest, the C foundation. This is like my actual favorite. It's so messy, but it's really good. This is in the light medium neutral. This is the one I use for my fake tan. I just go like that. This is probably really bad if I have a pimple because it probably infects the whole thing. Guys, I've had this pimple right here for a solid 2 weeks and it won't go away. I don't know what to do. Probably should stop picking at it. That'd be a good idea. Let's just add a little more because prom. Even though I'm just going to school after this. I'm going to just use this little IT Cosmetics foundation brush and just blend that all in. So I'm filming this video after prom and I wasn't going to film anything, but a ton of you guys wanted a prom get ready with me video, so I thought that I would just film it after. And it was a little difficult, it would have been a little difficult to film on actual prom night just because it gets like so busy. I just decided to film one for you guys because I think my prom was way sooner than everyone else's because everyone's saying their prom is in 2 weeks and a bunch of my other friends that go to different schools are saying that their prom is in late May. So I don't know why my school was so early. Now I'm going to use my Clinique Chubby Stick. It really brings like a nice warmth to my skin and it still like kind of carves out your cheekbones and everything. Look how nicely that blends out. That took like 2 seconds. Anyways, prom was really fun. It was my senior prom, so I felt like it was kind of cooler. I went last year too, but it's just like, I feel like it's just different. I went with my boyfriend Caleb, and you guys have met him in like previous vlogs, but if you haven't, they're on my channel. I'm gonna add a little more. So many questions as to where my dress was, so if any of you are from my Instagram right now and watching this video, go to the end of or watch this part and then go you'll see the end of the video and then you'll find out where my dress is from. I'm going to use this MAC Golden Bronze Powder, and this gives you such a pretty natural bronzy glow. That is such a pretty glow. Ooh. I'm going to go in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit. I haven't used this in so long, and on actual prom, I was like, oh, this shade would look so pretty with my tan. So I went in with Dripping in Gold and Golden Bronze. Basically all of the high points of my face. I'm going to go into the Tartelette Toasted palette, and fun fact, my aunt actually did my eye makeup on actual prom night. We kind of did a burgundy, sparkly kind of eye just because that's the color of my dress, and it looks so beautiful. Shout out to my aunt. Love you. Okay, let me zoom you guys in a little for my eyes. This color I'm going to use is this really, really pretty light brown, and I'm going to just use that in the crease. It's called Latte. I'm going to just put this in my crease just to warm it up a little bit. And I just want to like make it a little more winged on the end, so I'm going to just focus on the crease and then bring it back and do windshield wiper motions. Ooh, that looks good. I'm impressed. Then I'm going to go in with this shade, and it's called Warm. This one's really pretty. I'm going to focus this a little more in my crease too. Now I'm going to take this shade in Candle, and it's so sparkly and so pretty. I'm going to just put that on my lid. Oh my god, that's so pretty. Whoa. That literally just made the look so much better. Okay, now I'm going to go into this color, and it is called Flame. I'm going to just focus this on the outer corner just to deepen it up a little. And then bring it into my crease. I'm going to just blend this out now so there's no harsh edges. I'm going to go back into Latte and Warmth and Flame and probably Simmer and bring that all on my lower lash line. I'm so into a smoked out lower lash line. I just think it makes it look so much better. Go into Candle again and put that on my brow bone and my inner corner. Okay, I'm going to zoom you guys back out. Okay, now I'm going to curl my lashes. Guys, I'm going to go back to school in an hour with full glam on. I'm going to just add a little something more and bring this brown eyeliner in my waterline. Now I'm going to go into the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. This is my holy grail. It's so good, and it just makes your lashes look bomb. Now I'm going to take this Buxom lipstick in the shade Sinful Cinnamon. Buxom actually has the best lip products. I kind of just outline my lips with this. Then I'm going to go into this Beauty Counter lip gloss, and it is in the shade Buff. This is actually Bailey's, and I stole it from her. That is the look. Okay. Okay, makeup section is done. Let's go on to the outfit section.
My dress is from Abyss by Abby. I found it off Instagram, and I just love this dress because it was so sparkly and it was so prom-y, and I got a ton of compliments on it, and I think it was just the perfect prom dress.
Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe. I love you guys so much, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.